Hello beautiful people, welcome to Legacylife Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to use a cookie extruder, also perfect for making beautiful crunchy akara chips. Have you ever wondered how these uniform neatly shaped cookies or akara chips are made? This is the secret tool right here. First, prepare your dough or akara paste. For cookies, your dough should be soft but not sticky. For akara chips, your blended beans paste should be smooth, thick and well seasoned, not watery. Now open your extruder. Most extruder comes with different shaping disc. This particular one that I'm showing you is available for sales with 20 different shaping discs that you can use for your cookies and your akara chips. You can choose from the numerous disc. Insert the shaping disc at the bottom and secure it tightly like you see me do. Next, fill the barrel with your dough or akara paste. Don't overfill it. Leave a little space so that the plunger can move smoothly. Close it tightly and properly. If you are making cookies, place the extruder directly on your baking trays and press gently. The dough will come out evenly in beautiful shapes. Press, lift and move to the next spot. For akara chips on the other hand, position the extruder over hot oil and press carefully. The paste will drop into the oil just like you see me do. Uniform shapes, fry until golden brown and crispy. The beauty of using an extruder is consistency. Every piece comes out with the same shapes and saves time, gives your food a professional finish. After use, disassemble immediately and wash all parts thoroughly to prevent clogging. And that's it. Simple, neat and efficient. This is Legacylife Kitchen once again, where we turn everyday cooking into a masterpiece. See you in the next recipe. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.